Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make barbecue sauce for pork ribs. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1.5 cups of ketchup, half a cup of apple cider vinegar, and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. Also, grab 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon of smoked paprika, and half a teaspoon of garlic powder. These simple items are the foundation for a delicious, easy sauce. Now, let's combine our ingredients. Pour the ketchup, apple cider vinegar, brown sugar, Worcestershire sauce, smoked paprika, and garlic powder into a medium saucepan. Whisk everything together until it's completely smooth and all the spices are fully incorporated. Make sure there are no lumps of brown sugar. Once mixed, place the saucepan on your stovetop over medium heat. Next, bring your sauce to a gentle simmer over medium heat, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. Once it starts to bubble, reduce the heat to low. Let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. This slow cooking allows the flavors to meld beautifully and the sauce to thicken slightly, creating that perfect barbecue consistency. Keep an eye on it. Finally, taste your barbecue sauce and adjust the seasonings. You might want a pinch more brown sugar for sweetness or a splash more apple cider vinegar for tang. Once you're happy with the flavor, remove the sauce from the heat and let it cool slightly. Then, generously brush this homemade deliciousness onto your perfectly cooked pork ribs. Enjoy your amazing meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.